ओह, ये बहुत ज्यादा लगी है इनको, बहुत जोर से लगी है। जिस तरह से रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, लगता है कि ये सीरियस मामला है।
As the saying goes, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. The going got tough when the pandemic hit us. The conditions were severe and the business was heavily impacted across industry. The trade hit the lowest score when the nation went under lockdown. Liquor shops and bars were shut, which affected both on-trade and off-trade.
That's that man.
Nobody goes undefeated all the time. If you can pick up after a crushing defeat and go on to win again, you are going to be a champion. The Bacardi Master Blasters are not the team to bow down to the opponents. We had to win this match and come back stronger than ever. We had to be the champions. The North team put in their best foot and showed what an incredible team we are. Like the Indian team in Gaba, we ensured a victory. We made the tough get going with our iconic brands and hard work of team members. We ensured a sixer at every bouncer thrown at us. The state government imposed COVID tax on consumer to recover the lost revenue. We rolled out offers and retained our customers. We did not back down and showed who the real champions are. The victory was never easy, but we play to win, and that is what we did.
2020 was not a normal year. It was an year where we were tested and proud to say that we came out with flying colours. The passion and resilience shown by Team North was out of this world, and outcome was there for everybody to see. 17% growth and 120% of budget achievement during COVID times is something we are all proud of, and it's a reflection of two team spirit and Bacardi 3F, which is family, fearless and founders.
North recorded a growth of 16% and an achievement of 120% in BII and BIO. Bacardi Kata and Flavor showed a commendable growth of 21% and an achievement of 119%. Bacardi Black scored a growth of 30% and an achievement of 113%. For BII Scotch, it was a growth of 111% and achievement of 140%.
In 2021, everybody would like to forget, as the global pandemic affected every aspect of lifestyle, be it health, wealth or happiness. But for us in Cluster 1, FY21 will be remembered for fantabulous performance against all the odds. 126 CR of NSV and 39 CR of GP achievement is a testimony to fantastic brands and fantastic people. A big salute to team's grit, passion and gutsy performance. And we are all set to rock FY22. Cheers!
It was tough to play under current conditions. Wet pitch, bad weather, ball swinging and other challenges couldn't stop this team from winning. With all the self-belief, winner's mindset and teamwork, this team has done it again. So cheers to all the winning champions.
Delhi and BII Scotch scored a growth of 91% and achievement of 96%.
FY21 is the third consecutive year where Team UP delivered exemplary performance, despite the year being eclipsed by COVID pandemic.
And it is not just about scoring volumes, it is also about driving excellence in rules of the ground, such as financial hygiene, team spirit and unreluctant passion.
One progressive mind can change the world, and magic happens when many progressive minds come together.
And that's what exactly happened in UP, where team delivered 500,000 case, which contributes 80 CR NSV to Bacardi India NSV.
So now what? We are planning in FY22.
Scale, visibility and revenue will be the focus areas.
Work hard in silence. Let success make the noise will be the agenda of UP team.
Watch out, Team UP again in FY22.
UP had a score of a mighty growth of 54% and achievement of 134% in Bacardi Black. A good knock of a growth of 393% and achievement of 157% in Bacardi BII Scotch.
Good things are done by a series of small things. The Uttarakhand team believes in the same vision by delivering an NSV achievement of 115%. Hold the vision and trust the process. It was true for this year, marked by pandemic, imposing of COVID cess and closure of retail shops. In spite of it, we choose for a price increase. We took for a result-oriented 360-degree business approach. Good, better, best. Never let us rest till your good is better and your better is best.
Uttarakhand batted phenomenally to register a growth of 112% and achievement of 180% in Bacardi Kata and flavors. An impressive growth of 37% and achievement of 48% in Bacardi BII Scotch.
Leading under COVID-19 was really tough, but it came as a blessing as well. Honestly saying, I actually feel more connected with my team than I ever did before. One team, one mission is one of our great places to work mindset, and my team demonstrated it every day. We were optimistic, we kept pushing, and results are in front of everyone. Not only our finances are under control, overdues have reduced drastically. We have also grown our business. NSV over last year is growing by 17% and GP by 16%. My learning from 2020 is, when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong. You will finally see the truth that hero lies in you.
The numbers which all of you will see during this meeting will reflect the growth Haryana has witnessed. But the numbers doesn't tell you the entire story. The story of greed, perseverance, founders and fearless mentality which the team has showcased. That's why you have done exceptionally well during a very torrid year, and our growth has been dependent on record number of scotches, BIOs and record number of high proof numbers. During this time, we have also taken some really tough calls and have managed a great financial hygiene in a volatile market like Haryana.
In Bacardi Black, the score boasted to a growth of 58% and achievement of 142%. For BII Scotch, the scoreboard proudly read out a growth of 35% and achievement of 141%. In Bacardi BIO, the score boasted to a growth of 54% and achievement of 246%.
There is no victory without hard work. It's not me, but all of us that makes a difference. Self-belief, confidence and improvements are the game changers. Let's raise our bars, challenge our potentials and thrive success and rock financial year 2022.
Himachal registered a phenomenal growth of 29% and achievement of 133% in Bacardi Black. Chandigarh registered a resounding growth of 37% and achievement of 160% in Bacardi BII Scotch. A phenomenal growth of 43% and achievement of 204% in Bacardi BIO.
Winning where winning matters the most. F21 was a tough year due to pandemic. We couldn't do business in Q1. I thought we might lose the match, but starting July, Punjab started hitting sixes. Team has shown great commitment towards volumes. We have channelized our focus towards scotches and BIO. We witnessed 128% NSV growth against budget and 54% growth over last year. I would say we have started like a Corolla, finished like a Ferrari.
A brilliant strike where a growth of 836% and achievement of 307% was registered in BII Scotch.
Hola primos, myself Narasa Reddy. I'm part of Bacardi for 6 years now and have been associated with banqueting business for nearly 2 years. The prevailing situation of COVID-19 has been very challenging for us. Its enduring impact have unfortunately impacted several in terms of our business. We, however, sanguine about its take back. we are constantly working hard to upgrade our service, combat this challenge. With the factor, looking forward to serve, to make your every occasion count.
With fantastic support from trade marketing and finance, we crossed all hurdles.
Against the backdrop of pandemic, prioritization was key in excelling with the plans on ground. Understanding of the market, synchronized coordination with the sales team and channelizing our efforts led to a success story which is clearly evident in North Region's achievement. With limited resources and A&P, we delivered exceptional growth across categories, truly an outcome achieved by right marketing inputs and our determination to win.
Despite of having a tough time, Team North has shown an incredible performance this year. Implementation of various processes and controls, sign off on the rate contracts and reduction in overdues is also highly commendable. I am sure team will do more wonders next year.
The Master Blasters performed phenomenally, making this the only region with growth and budget achievement. The pitch had transformed and the stands were empty, but the zeal of our players was more than ever. We played like never before, hitting centuries and protecting our players, carefully building partnerships that last. Master Blasters, get ready to fly. The future is yours. Now, touch the sky.